Namaste everyone. Welcome back to Udaya's classroom. In this video, we are going to look at the deleted topics in accountancy subject code number 055, which was revealed by the CBSE board for the academic year 2020-21. In this context, we will see both the grade 11 and 12 eliminated topics in accountancy. Firstly, let's have a look at the deleted topics in grade 12. Yes, in grade 12, there are two parts. Part A, accounting for not-for-profit organizations, partnership firms and companies. Part B, financial statements analysis. There is no changes in Unit 1, that is NPO, not-for-profit organization. In Part A, Unit 2, accounting for partnership firms. Under the head, accounting for partnership firms, reconstitution and dissolution. Under this head, admission of a partner. In this topic, the particular topic alone has been eliminated, that is adjustment of capital accounts and preparation of balance sheet. And the next is retirement and death of a partner. Under this topic, adjustment of capital accounts, preparation of loan account of the retiring partner has been taken out. And also preparation of deceased partner's capital account and his executor's account also has been deleted. In Unit 3, accounting for companies, topics deleted. Under the head accounting for debentures, redemption of debentures methods, lump sum, draw of lots. This topic alone has been deleted. There is no changes or deletion in Unit 4 and 5. Let's see regarding the project work. From the session 2020 to 21 onwards, there would be only one project, that is specific project, to be prepared. Since there is only one project instead of 3, hence 10 lectures were reduced in the same. That is, it came down from 20 to 10 periods. Well, these are all the deleted topics in all the units from grade 12. Let's move on to the next class, grade 11. In grade 11, accountancy subject, we do have two parts, Part A and Part B. Part A, Financial Accounting 1 and Part B, Financial Accounting 2. Let's see the unit-wise deletion of the topics. There is no changes or deletion in the Unit 1 theoretical framework. In Part A, Unit 2, Accounting Process, topics deleted under the chapter Bank Reconciliation Statement is Bank Reconciliation Statement with Adjusted Cash Book. Only the particular topic has been eliminated. And the next chapter, Accounting for Bills of Exchange. Under this chapter, only two topics has been eliminated, that is retirement of bill and renewal of bill. Alright, let's move on to the next part, Financial Accounting 2. Unit 3, Financial Statements of Sole Proprietorship. Under this unit, incomplete records, difference between accounts from incomplete records and statement of affairs has been taken out, and preparation of trading, profit and loss account and balance sheet. These two topics has been eliminated from incomplete records. Fine. Regarding the project's number of periods come down from 50 to 45 lectures that is 5 periods has been reduced. The allocated number of periods is 45 periods. Alright students, hope you have all taken a note of deleted topics in accountancy subject. I'll get you back soon with a new lesson. Till then it's bye from Udaya. Stay tuned to Udaya's classroom. Bye bye.